Welcome back, looters. I am your host on Tick to Loot, the channel where we turn ticks into treasure. Today we are on lesson 3.2 of Unit 3, Trading Platforms. In this lesson, we're going to cover the differences between MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4. By the end of this video, you will understand which platform is right for your trading needs. Let's get into it. First, let's clarify that MetaTrader 5, or MT5, is not just an upgrade to MetaTrader 4, or MT4. It's a completely different platform designed to offer more features and capabilities. One of the key differences between MT5 and MT4 is the number of timeframes available. MT5 offers more timeframes, giving you more flexibility in your trading analysis. Another difference is the variety of order types. MT5 supports more advanced order types, which can be useful for more complex trading strategies. MT5 also comes with a built-in economic calendar, which can help you stay informed about market-moving events and plan your trades accordingly. In addition to Forex, MT5 supports trading in other asset classes like stocks, futures, and commodities. This makes it a more versatile platform for traders who want to diversify their portfolios. Despite the additional features in MT5, MT4 remains the more popular choice for Forex traders. Many brokers still prefer to offer MT4 for its simplicity and reliability. So, which platform should you use? If you're a beginner focusing on Forex, MT4 might be the better choice. However, if your broker requires MT5 or you're interested in trading other asset classes, then MT5 is the way to go. It's worth noting that both platforms look very similar, and the skills you learn on one platform can easily transfer to the other. Before downloading either platform, make sure to check which one your chosen broker supports. This will save you time and ensure you can trade with your broker seamlessly. That is everything for Lesson 3.2, MetaTrader 5, What Changed? If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Tick to Loot so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment below. What was the most useful thing you learned today? See you in the next lesson, looters. Keep turning those ticks into treasure.